In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size of the header and footer menu on your Shopify store. Let's start by getting into your Shopify admin. Log into your store, and once you're on the main dashboard, look at the left-hand side menu. Find and click on Online Store. This is where you manage everything related to your theme and how your storefront looks. Under Online Store, you'll see your current theme listed. Next to the Edit or Customize button for that theme, there's a small icon with 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to open a drop-down menu with some advanced options for your theme. From that drop-down, choose Edit Code. This takes you into the theme code editor. Don't worry, you only need to make a small controlled change, and I'll walk you through it. Still, it's a good idea to duplicate your theme before editing, so you always have a backup. On the left side of the code editor, you'll see a list of folders. Look for the folder labeled Layout and click to expand it. Inside that folder, click on the file named Theme Liquid. This is the main layout file that controls a lot of what appears on your pages. Now, you're going to grab a code snippet provided in the description. Open that page of code in a new tab, select everything, and copy it. Make sure you copy the entire snippet exactly as it is. Go back to the theme.liquid file in Shopify. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the file until you find the line that ends with ndif. Click at the very end of that line, press enter to create a new blank line underneath it, and then paste the code you just copied into this new space. Inside that pasted code, look for the value 18px. This controls the desktop font size for your header menu. Click on it and change it to whatever size you prefer, like 16px or 20px, depending on how big you want the menu to appear on larger screens. Next, find 12px in the same code. This is the mobile font size for the header menu. Adjust this to a size that's easy to tap and read on phones, such as 14px. When you're done, click the Save button in the top right of the code editor to apply your changes. To change the footer menu font size, you can do that more visually. Open the theme editor, click on the gear icon for theme settings, then go to typography. From there, adjust the footer text size to match your brand and save your changes.